Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get all items to craft lesser stamina potion in Hytale. I'll go ahead and show you how to get all of these items step by step. Let's go ahead and first start with the empty potion bottle. Now the first thing to actually get an empty potion bottle you need is sand. You need to go ahead and get this sand from the ocean bed right here. As you can see, you need to get this sand. This sand is completely different from the sand you'll find in riverbeds. These are made up of rubble, as you can see. So get this type of sand right here, and then I want you to go back to your furnace. So let's go ahead and do that. Now here at the furnace, I want you to press F to open it up. Make sure you have fuel. You can use logs or you can use charcoal as well. And then here under input, I want you to place this sand. And then click here on turn on. And once this furnace is done converting the sand, it'll actually give us the empty potion bottles. Now I'll show you how to get the sunflowers. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually press M on your keyboard. And I want you to go ahead and look for sunflowers along such terrains. And after you go ahead and get to such a terrain, I want you to just walk around. You should see sunflowers. So there you go. I think I've spotted some sunflowers growing here near this riverbed. There you go. And you can just pick it up. You just come here and press F to pick up the sunflower. And as you can see, it is now in my inventory. Next, I'll show you how to get storm thistles. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and press M on your keyboard to open up the map, and I want you to go ahead and head to these rocky mountain biomes with snow caps at the top. And now these snow-capped mountains usually have the storm thistles. I suggest you do this at night so it's actually easier to spot the storm thistle. So if I go ahead and walk around, we should see some. And here you go. There's actually two of them right here. So I can just go ahead and press F to pick these up. As you can see, they're now in my inventory. And then I'll show you how to get storm petals. Now to actually get storm petals, I want you to first go ahead and press M on your keyboard to open up the map. And I want you to look for these mountain range type biome. And then I want you to come here to the snow-capped areas on the mountain. So just go ahead and climb up. And then here I suggest you do this at nighttime so it's actually easier to spot the storm thistles. So as you can see, I think this is one. There you go. Here we have a storm thistle. Now make sure you don't pick it up. Go ahead and use a hatchet. And I want you to go ahead and left click on it. So if we go ahead and left click on this storm thistle with this hatchet, it should drop storm petals. As you can see right here, we have gotten storm petals. Now once you get all the items, you can go ahead and finally come back here and click on craft. And there you go, we have crafted this item right here. And that is how to get all items to craft lesser stamina potion in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.